Hi, Nannerface.
In maple syrup. It's all over her hair.
Nanner in maple syrup?
Yeah.
Mmm. Nummies.
She drips it all along the way to her mouth.
You give her a shower?
Look at Squidward.
Ryan, what are you doing?
Look at him. I'm coloring. Take a picture
I'm
of.
taking a movie of it. Point to what everything is.
That's SpongeBob, Patrick, Gary, Plankton, and Squidward.
Wait a minute. Everybody's all mixed up.
Wait, I forgot to color him.
There's Ryan's Christmas tree. How's your banana? You want to peel it? That's good. That's good. You can do it. I'm not going to do it. You do it. Peel, pull. Good job. Peel it. Yes.
Okay, now you can make a new movie of it.
Oh, much better.
Okay, look at them.
That is just wonderful.